This is the garden in May. I don't know if you saw the garden in earlier months. You can see what a difference it is. It's really hopping. And in another month, this will be all in color. A lot of yellows, blues, some reds. 98% native plants. It's a little rainy today. Otherwise, there would be swallows all over this garden right now, feeding on all the little moths and flies and insects. So this is what you can do. I mean, this is 10,000 square foot garden. You don't have to do things. You could do 100 by 100 foot, like I said before. You could do some pots on your terrace if that's all you have. Just plant some native plants. The native insects, the butterflies will come. And the birds are depending on these caterpillars to feed their babies. I've already seen a couple of nests with eggs, and it's only March 4th. So you really need to get going on this. It's good for you. It's good for your mind. You learn the language of nature. It'll help prevent you from getting dementia or worse. And of course, it's good for your body. You get some exercise. At the end of the day, you'll probably be really tired. Great, you'll sleep good. This is what you need to do. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Please hit the like button, subscribe, send me comments, let me know what you're doing or what you're thinking about doing. But here it is. This is May, and everything is going like crazy. Gonna be a lot of flowers. It's gonna be great. Okay, we'll see you soon. You take care.